Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to check the oil maintenance life on this one. So on this one, I'm going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen on the dash in front of us. Now from here, it's going to press the menu button, then scroll down until you get to settings and click in OK. Then click in OK on oil life. So this one has 56% left. So if you service it, change your oil filter and change your oil, then once you get to the screen, hold OK, and then it will reset it to 100%. And that's it.